Smoking, lack of physical activity, overweight, too much salt in the diet, as well as the alcohol, and the most important thing is stress. All these things has a reason for the hypertension as well as the high BP. So today I am going to tell you 3 things wherein we can work on these 3 things and will get benefit. So whatever treatment you are doing, whatever the prescription you are following from your GP, general practitioner, please continue with that. With that treatment you can do these 3 things what I am going to tell you today. So definitely will get benefit. So Namaskar, I am Kedar. I am a spiritual healer and TCM practitioner. Please Google Kedar spiritual healer for more details. So let's start with today's session. So first important thing is to reduce the salt in the water. Salt is a very big problem for the BP. So please reduce salt, minimum salt, and if possible you can use the pink salt rather than using this white salt. Okay. Second thing is oily food. Oil should be definitely reduced, minimum oily food. Exercise is also very important. We need to wake up early in the morning and definitely practice some yoga as well as meditation, because stress is directly related with the brain. So BP is not only with the physical, it's related with the mental also. Now as this is a holistic treatment wherein we are going to work on the whole body, means it will work on the physical, mental, emotional and spiritual. So whatever it says that whatever treatment we are doing, it should work on the 4 things: physically, mentally, emotionally, spiritually. So this is the perfect treatment for human beings. Okay. So that's why this is very important to practice all these things. So 3 things. The first thing is you need to change the lifestyle slowly as per your convenience. Okay. Second thing, I am going to tell you about the Sujok therapy. Okay. You can check my other videos also wherein I work on the 3 things always, wherein the acupressure, we work on the hands as well as we work on the feet, wherein there are special particular points wherein we are going to stimulate that point with the magnet or the seed. The second thing is I also suggest some yoga mudras. These are also very powerful, as well as the pranayama. Pranayama is very good experience. If you are not practicing pranayama, please start doing pranayama. It takes 5-10 minutes of time, but yes, it's very powerful. You will get the whole day positive energy. Good. So on the note of positive energy, I would request you to please press the I button above, and I have one video wherein we can check the video. That is very good video to remove the whole day negative energy from the body. It's a very powerful ritual and it's advisable to practice each and everyone at home. Each and everyone at home. It's a very beautiful experience. You do it, you experience it, and then you will get to know about the benefits. Okay. Well, so coming to the points, Sujok therapy on the hands. Okay. So I'm going to tell you 6 points on the hands and 1 point on the feet. Okay. Well, coming down here, if you see, this is the hand. We need to work on both the hands. Always keep this in mind, not only one hand, both the hands. Okay. So this is the hand wherein you can go down here. This point. This is called the H7 we have. This is the H7 point, means heart 7 point. So now we are going to work on the heart chakra as well as on the heart. Okay. So as this is related with the circulatory system, this is related with the blood circulation in our body. So we need to work on the heart to stimulate the heart. Okay. So this is the H7 point. How to stimulate this H7 point? This is the heart meridian. We are going to work on the heart meridian. You need to take help of the thumb, keep it here. Okay. Slowly, clockwise, we need to circulate like this, clockwise. Okay. See, clockwise, anti-clockwise, pressure, release. Again, clockwise, anti-clockwise, pressure, release. Okay. So if we do it, continue for 2-3 minutes, and then just release it. Okay. After that, what we need to do? One more thing. I am going to tell you how to put the seed on this particular point. If you have magnet, so well and good. If you don't have magnet, which is called the Sujok therapy magnet, you will get it in the market. If you don't have magnet, no worry. What we required is we required a white tape. This tape you will get it easily in the chemist shop. You need to take a piece of this white tape. Very simple. I am going to use a black pepper seed. This is the black paper seed, you can see. I am putting on this white tape simply like this, and we need to paste in the particular point. Okay, like this, see. Right, so after pasting this, we need to just give the pressure, again the stimulation on this particular point. So what happens, those who have a BP problem, for them is very good, okay. Whether it's a low BP or high BP, this only one point, okay, for low BP, because we are talking about the high BP today, okay. Well, so this way, when we need to do this we need to do before going to bed, in the night, okay. Daytime, whenever you have time, okay, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, okay, morning, afternoon, evening, we need to give pressure on this without seed. In the daytime, you can just give the pressure, because it will work on the heart, and heart will slowly work on the optimum level, okay. Well, this is the first point. Second point, we have on the tips of the 5 fingers. This we need to work on the both the hands. Always keep it in mind, both the hands. The second point is here, okay, exactly on this line. If you go on the wrist joint, here you can see a very small place wherein if you press it, you can feel the energy here. You can feel the energy here, okay. Like the same on this hand, okay. The next 5 fingers tips. Look at this, 5 finger tips, okay. All the 5 finger tips on both the hands, okay. These are also very powerful points to work on the heart as well as the brain. If you see, this is our head. On the top of the head, here we have a brain, okay. So you can give the pressure, stimulate these points also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, okay. All the 10 points of either way. Otherwise, what we can do, again we can take a piece of this white tape, use the black paper, and I'll show you. On the tip, we can paste this like this. Very simple, but yes, it's very powerful, okay. See, again a piece of paper, put on the top of this finger and paste it like this. So all the fingers, 5 fingers, and before going to sleep in the night, so that the whole night it will stimulate it. When you wake up in the morning, you can just remove it and throw this same seed. Please don't use it again, you can use the another seed, okay. After that, we have one more point. We are going to work on the liver also, okay. So we have one point on the feet. On the feet, we have one point which is called the liver 3 point. Here, liver 3 point, okay. In the liver, you can see the picture. On the picture, it will be clear. So liver 3 point is here in between the big toe and the thumb. You can see here is the point. If you give pressure, you can feel pain here. This is the liver 3. This is the liver meridian. Now we are going to stimulate this with the thumb. You can use the thumb and you can stimulate it. How to stimulate? Clockwise, anti-clockwise, pressure, release. Clockwise, anti-clockwise, pressure and release. Okay. So this is the way to stimulate. The second thing, again, you can take a piece of paper, use a black seed, okay, and paste on the particular point. See, exact point is here. When you press, and you can feel the pain. Whenever you press, you feel the pain. This is the liver 3 point on the liver meridian. You need to paste it and leave it for the night, okay. So after pressing, you can just leave it like this, okay. So this is one of the point which is on the liver meridian. So today we work on all the 5 points on the fingertips, H7 on the heart chakra, and liver 3 on the liver point. Now what is the third thing? The third thing is called pranayama. Yes, pranayama is very important, very important. It's not only for the high BP, but this is for the whole body. Whatever the problems are there in the body, pranayama is the very good exercise to practice it. This is called the breathing exercise, okay. So there are different kind of pranayamas for different reasons, but those who have a high BP, what is today's our topic, for them it's advisable to do it very slowly, okay. Well, so today I am going to tell you the first pranayama, which is called the Anulom Vilom. Anulom Vilom is a very good pranayama exercise, okay. So what we are going to do is we are going to keep this always in mind, that slowly we have to do, very slowly, as much as we can. So what to do is, we need to close one nose strip like this, okay, and the another you can use it, this 2 fingers you can use, hold it like, okay. You can sit in the Padmasana, you can sit on the ground, which is always advisable. If not possible, you can sit on the chair, you can sit on the sofa, on the bed, okay. But it's always advisable to sit on the down on the ground, so that you will get the grounding experience for this, okay. Well, so pranayama, keep your back straight, keep your spine straight, keep your head straight, be relaxed, mentally be relaxed, okay. Then close one nose strip, you need to inhale from one nose only, okay. Close this one and exhale from the another. Again inhale, maximum as much as you can, hold it, close it, exhale from the another. Okay. Very slowly and maximum as much as you can, okay. One more time, maximum, hold it, close this nose, another nostril, very nice, very slowly, do it for 5 times, 10 times as per your convenience, don't go beyond your limitations, okay. So very slowly practicing it, okay. So if you are not practicing, please practice with me, please sit, please have a seat, we all will do together, okay. Well, one more time we'll do it. Sit on the ground as per your convenience, keep your spine straight, keep your head straight, concentration on the breathing, inhale the maximum as much as you can, close it, exhale, continue it, okay. Continue, this is a very good. After this pranayama, you feel more relaxed, more grounded, the stress level goes down. It's very important to reduce the stress level, and this is the best exercise to reduce the stress level, okay. One more exercise, breathing exercise, which is called the Shitli pranayama, okay. Shitli and Shitkari, 2 are different pranayamas, okay. So I am going to show you how to do this. This is a this looks different, but yes, it's a very powerful, okay. How to do this? Again, sit on the ground, okay, relax your mind, keep your spine straight, keep your head straight, okay. Relax first, normal breathing, okay. Then what we need to do is we need to inhale the air. How to inhale the air? We need to make pipe of our tongue. Yes, we need to make pipe of our tongue. Look at me how I am doing now. Okay, so we need to inhale from the tongue, okay. Look at me how to inhale the air in this pranayama. Maximum air, and then close your mouth, exhale from nose. Okay, so this is the beautiful experience. Okay. Yes, we all will do together. You also sit with me, okay. You all sit with me, we all will do together. Make your pipe of your tongue first. Inhale now. Close your mouth. Exhale. Very slowly, as per your convenience, okay. 5 times, 7 times, 10 times, then relax. This is also one of the powerful treatment for the hypertension, okay. So these 2 exercise, these 2 breathing exercise, if you do as well as the yoga as well as the meditation, you can do it, some kind of meditation or mantra chanting, if you do, as well as the water and salt process to remove all the negative energy from the body. I have a detailed video, you can press the I button and please follow this ritual. It's also a very good experience. If you have any questions, I would be more happy to answer. Please write it down in the comment box. I will definitely give answer of your each and every questions. thank you very much for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed my channel till now, I would request you to please subscribe, as well as please press the bell button to get all the notification of my video. Okay. Thank you very much once again. Take care. Namaskar.